Wow. I wonder if I can take...
Stabbing with their stealing eyes, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was supposed to relax.
What is going on? He walks toward us, removes my hands from my wrists, and then stands between.
What? What the actual... God, like what's wrong with you?
human being. And me, I still make those little haiku signs for fun. And yeah guys, if you ever had an awful neighbor like this, please don't forget to post some star emojis in the comments and like the video if you enjoy the neighbor stories. The next one is titled, My neighbor's daughter just told me I need to park in my driveway again. Posted by user Savvy Maverick on r/entitled-people.
I have to scan each of them, and then I have to
Roll down your window. I want to yell at them to get a better car.
no. I have to scan each of them, and then I have to, no. Boo!
Oh my god! Like American. It's a guy.
He's
coming.
Oh, is he?
He's gonna get better taste in cars.
It's fine.
No, it's not. Oh, also,
Come say some shit in my face.
Pump one started
Yeah, follow us. Go ahead.
Pump one started spraying gas out of the hose because there was a hole in it.
He is gonna absolutely follow us. Where's the nearest police station?
Let's not do this, please.
Where is the nearest
Apartment.
That's
Watch
what you
he
do.
does.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, that's what I
He's
thought.
probably
Asshole.
just leaving, but
No. He's stopping us. Sure, go ahead. We're fine, I promise.
Yeah.
If we don't leave the car, we're good.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, didn't think so.
Start recording emergency video.
You can call the Jeff O'Neill Show anytime and leave a message at 669.
It's your car, but in white.
this guy's just...
Oh my god, there's a motorcycle coming! Oh
Jesus
my god.
Christ! What an
Drivers. Dude.
Look, it's an all-volunteer clergy. We have bishops who are called to this position. They have full-time jobs. They have families. That sounds like a policy that I doubt that is actually carried out in reality.
Don't hit me. Retarded.